Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my third cocktail tutorial. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rezwal and today I'll be doing 5 gin-based cocktails that you can do at home. If you're hosting a party, it's gonna be perfect. If you haven't seen my previous video, which I have done of 5 white rums and 5 vodkas, check in the link in the description below or you can check it somewhere up here. So let's get started. So my first cocktail is gonna be a gin tonic. Gin tonic is based with, it's a simple and the easiest. It's based with gin and tonic. So let's get started. Take your highball, make it full, fill it with ice. You can use any preferred gin that you want. I'll be using a local gin by me, which is a Blue Ribbon. And yeah, so take 60 ml of gin. And tonic water. All you need is a garnish to complete your drink. There you go. Cheers. That's a gin tonic. Moving on to the next cocktail. That's a Gimlet. It's based with gin and lime cordial. So take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add 60 ml of gin. Make that 50. And 25 ml of lime cordial. And give it a nice vigorous shake. Take your cocktail glass. And give it a pour. To complete the drink, all you need is a garnish. There you go. That's a Gimlet. Cheers. Enjoy. That's amazing. Moving on to the next cocktail. That's Tom Collins. Tom Collins is based with gin, soda water, freshly squeezed lime juice and simple syrup. So take your Collins glass. If you don't have this glass, use any glass that you have at home. Fill it with ice. Add 60 ml of gin. $10 ml of 15 ml of simple syrup. $15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And top it off with soda. That's a nice, refreshing Tom Collins. To complete a drink, all you need is a garnish. So you can use a lime wheel or a lime slice, whichever one you have, half a lime. And cheers. That's a Tom Collins. Enjoy. Wow, that's so refreshing. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's Bramble, which is an amazing cocktail. So in this, Bramble is based with gin, blackberry syrup, simple syrup, lime cordial. So take your rock glass, fill it with ice. Keep it aside. Take your shaker again, fill it with ice again. If you do have creme de mure, the liqueur Monin's blackberry syrup, add 40 ml of gin, 20 ml of the blackberry syrup. Since I don't have the liqueur blackberry syrup, I'll be using 60 ml of gin and 10 ml of the blackcurrant or the blackberry syrup. So take your 60 ml of gin. $20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then 20 ml of simple syrup. Take a shaker, give it a nice shake. Take your hot on strainer, strain it over the ice. And add a drizzle of 10 ml of blackberry syrup. To garnish your drink, you can use a lime zest or a mint leaf or a lime peel. So you can garnish it with a lime zest. There you go. Cheers, that's your Bramble. Wow, that's so unique. It's so refreshing, and it has a unique taste of a blackberry syrup. Cheers. Moving on to the last cocktail, that's Southside. This cocktail is based with gin, simple syrup, lime juice, and mint leaves. So again, to get started, make sure you take a cocktail glass, chill it for a while, keeping it aside. Again, take your shaker, fill it with ice. Add 50 ml of gin. $50 ml of simple syrup. $20 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. And make sure you add mint leaves in this. So you directly take the mint leaves one by one, take 8 to 6 mint leaves. Take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. There you go. Take your strainer, throw this ice away. For this you need to double strain because of the mint is directly in the shaker. To garnish your drink, use a mint leaf or lime peel. So I'll be using a mint leaf. There you go. Cheers. That's your Southside. Enjoy. Wow, it's so minty. You gotta try this. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And make sure you drop me a comment below if you want to know anything special or if you want me to do anything special. And that's it for now. Cheers.